Hi, I'm Ross with Sky Management, and today I want to talk about what happens when all the lights go out when you're trying to use your bathroom to do your hair, and you got your hairdryer going and your straightener's going, and all of a sudden everything goes off and doesn't work anymore. Well, there's two things that can cause that problem. And the first one is going to be your breaker box. So you're going to need to locate your breaker box. The breaker box or breaker panel is located somewhere within your home or your apartment. It can either be in the garage or in a hallway. In this particular one, it's behind the door in the bedroom. It looks like this. When you open the panel up, you'll see all the switches inside here, and if you've had all your lights or outlets stop working, one of these switches will be flipped to the outside. So what you want to do is make sure all the switches are pointed toward the middle. So push them all towards the middle, and whatever was off should come back on. Your breaker box can be located in different places, so sometimes you'll need to come out of your apartment into the hallway and look in your utility room, which I have one right here. And the breaker box will be located on the wall. You want to make sure that all the switches are flipped toward the center. The second thing you're going to want to check is your GFCI outlets. They are the ones that have buttons on them, and they will typically be located near a bathroom sink or near the kitchen sink or somewhere in the kitchen. Now these buttons, one of them says test and one says reset. So the one you want to push the reset button, that was the test button, push the reset button and make sure that it's clicked in and it stays in. And see if that lets your lights come back on. So those were the two simple solutions for fixing the problem when all the lights just turn off at random or when all the outlets stop working. Is you want to check your breaker panel and make sure all of the breakers are switched to the middle. And you want to check your GFI outlets and make sure that you push the reset button on all of your GFI outlets in your home or apartment. That should bring everything back on if it's a simple fix. So try that first before you dive any deeper.